Why should you take my class? I'm going to be honest with you. If you want to make money and you don't want your extensions to fall apart within the few weeks, that usually is what happens with clients, then you're going to want to take my course. I think most people don't understand that my course is different. Like the way that I install is different because I did all the legwork. I literally sat in my office for months figuring out how can I make this extension method seamless and where the stitches don't show. Because that to me is the ugliest thing that you'll ever see on somebody's head of hair is seeing those stitches. And I was like, no, there's got to be a way to make an install where you don't see those stitches. So then I said, okay, I got this. And I created the Swan method. So you're not going to see ugly stitching or those big lines or those big gaps because it's completely different. So that's why you're going to want to take this class. It's not like the others. It's actually, in fact, the only extension method that's like this. All the other ones have the same premise. This one is completely different. So even if you've taken those other courses, you're going to want to add this to your list. And it'll probably be your number one. That's how freaking invested and how much I believe in this. Because I've done them. I've seen them. I've fixed them. This solves all the problems.